Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Start off of a big week this week already. We've got a lot of news to talk about with Winston here, and we're working on, as you know from last week, we put out the short list for the CEE Real Estate Awards in Bucharest, Romania, which will take place the 31st of this month. So if you haven't booked a ticket or got anything yet, we just added another one, João Margescu, to our jury as well, and also to one of the office panel. So very exciting things. Big developers building a lot of residential and office. So a lot going on there. We have a lot of great companies this year that that really deserve to be recognized. We've been doing this event online for the last 2 years, and now actually in person. So they a lot of great professional companies there in southeastern Europe. So we'll be down in Romania then. So we hope to have you join us then. Also Sunday, flying out to Nice and going to Cannes for MIPIM. So come join us on our stand. We have some drinks on the Tuesday and Wednesday or Wednesday, Thursday at 3 o'clock. Come join us for drinks. Good opportunity to meet the team. Meet Gary Morel will be there, our editor down based in Hungary. So a lot of information there, a lot of fun, some great red wines. So come join us for that. So a lot happening this week. MIPIM next week, and then in 2 weeks after that, the Europa Property SCE Real Estate Awards. So we'll see you for that. Nice weather out today. It looks like it's going to be a very nice week. We hope so. We hope you're all staying safe and healthy. We're, of course, also supporting all of our friends and clients and people and Ukrainians, and a lot of the Ukrainians that are coming here. So we hope to keep that you're all staying well and safe. We'll take a little break, and we'll come right back with our editor-in-chief, Winston Norman, with the Europa Property news of the day. Welcome to the 17th Annual Europa Property Southeastern European Real Estate Awards and SCE Forum, held March 31st at the SAS Radisson Blu in Bucharest, Romania. With the most active international, regional, and local investors, developers, and property owners attending, this event continues to be the single most important in the region. The deadline for nominations is February 24th, and with seating limited and the Radisson Ballroom quickly filling up, now is the time to reserve your sponsorship package or corporate table. So, welcome back. Winston, welcome to the Coffee with Craig show.
Good morning, Craig.
How are we doing today on the news? We got some interesting things to talk about.
Yeah, fresh off the press. Big news. Glamco, Glamco in Poland have sold the Warsaw hub to Google.
Ah, to Google, all right.
Yeah, and Google is one of their main tenants in that building, or in that group of buildings. And they've acquired this, as you know, it's recently developed. Sure. Very technically advanced building, and gets a lot of good press. And they acquired this building for 583 million euros, which is the biggest deal to date for a single asset in Poland and the Central and Eastern European region. And as you would imagine, with all of Glamco buildings, it's got the highest sustainability
rating.
Well credited, BREEAM accredited. So it's a very good product, and it's a good confirmation of the strength of the Polish market, I think.
Right. So somehow Google's becoming an office investor at the same time, I guess, yeah? One of the big ones.
Seems to be, yeah.
Good. So well, congratulations to Jorn van der Tulen and his team for doing this deal. Excellent.
Moving on, and to some more sobering news, and CTP has committed 10 million euros to the UN Refugee Agency.
Well, that's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot, isn't it? It's an awful lot. I mean, a lot of the real estate company I've noticed on LinkedIn are doing an awful lot to help this crisis. And and this is obviously there's millions fleeing Ukraine at the moment, and they're fleeing into the neighbouring countries. And CTP is offering financial support and vacant warehouses, vacant offices, and vacant hotel accommodation to mostly women and children, because as we know, the men's got to stay behind. So yeah, this is a big contribution, and hopefully can alleviate some of the pain and hardship that these people are going through.
Yeah. Well, I guess Rem and Voss and the whole CEE team are on top of it, it seems. Yeah. Good.
Moving to Poland and coming back to some logistics news, and L-Cube is to develop 4 new logistics properties in Poland. They've just acquired 4 new sites, and this has doubled their number of sites and current projects they're working on. And from the beginning of April, they hope to start work on L-Cube Logistic Park Szczecin, which will be around 12,000 square meters of Class A warehouse space. And all the new buildings are set to be BREEAM certified, which in today's environment, every new building is BREEAM certified to lessen its impact on the environment.
Sure, it must be now. Yeah.
I mean, with the sell on to tenants, investors, the whole group or the whole shebang wants it. Staying in Poland, a lot of news from Poland today, and in the office market in HB Reavis have at least 3,200 square meters to the Forest development, which will come online this year. And
it's a big lease.
Yeah, it's a big one. Yeah, and this Infor PL group, they're taking up. This is going to be their new headquarters, and you might know this group from they do Dziennik Gazeta Prawna, as well as Dziennik.pl, Forsale.pl, Infor.pl, and they've also got a large portfolio of legal, accounting, civil service, and HR periodicals. And apparently they chose this building because, again, HB Reavis is well known for its ecological and environmentally friendly buildings, which is the norm today.
Sure.
And and it's got it's BREEAM certified and well certified. So as with all the latest developments.
Well, they have a lot of websites too, don't they? I mean, these guys do.
Infor.pl have a lot of websites, yeah. And finally for today, with people on the move, and Mindspace have appointed Anna Nekhamakin as Vice President of Real Estate and Projects.
Oh, wow.
And she'll be bringing her global expertise to the company, and she will hopefully improve its global network of buildings and real estate teams and signing new deals and properties.
All right. So that's all we have for the day, I think, yeah?
Yeah, that's all the news for today.
So thank you for that, Winston, and everyone, thank you for watching the Coffee with Craig show, where we hope you're all staying safe and well. To our Ukrainian friends, if you're looking for a place to stay, you'll see Preston's name highlighted and Preston Smith highlighted here. Contact him directly. He's pretty much working full-time on getting people places and finding places for people. So mainly families, like you mentioned. So definitely have a look at that if it's something you need. If you're not here yet, we hope to see you soon. So stay safe, stay healthy, and we will see you tomorrow morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.